Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a very interesting story, two lesser known stocks that have suddenly caught the attention of big institutions. Yes, both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors are buying heavily in these stocks. But why? What do they know that most retail investors don't? Let's decode the full story from fundamentals to recent financial performance and more importantly, the vision these companies have that's making smart money pour in. Let's start with Zinka Logistics, the company behind India's largest digital trucking platform. Now imagine this. Every second truck on India's highway is using Zinka's platform for fuels, tolls, tracking, and payments. That's massive. In financial year 25, their revenue jumped from 44% to 426 crores, but the real headline, they turned profitable after years of losses. Their EBITDA margin improved dramatically from a negative 53% to positive 22%. This is no longer a bleeding startup. It's a maturing tech play in logistics space. And guess who noticed first? Big names like Abu Dhabi Investment Authority and even MIT's endowment fund both bought into 302 block deal recently. The numbers don't lie. FIIs holding jumped from 13.6 to 20.5%. DIIs holding went up from 10 to 13.5%. Why? Because Zinka has created a tech first asset light logistic ecosystem and they are monetizing not just the truck movement but data subscriptions and recurring services. With the government pushing for digital tolling and fleet management, Zinka is in the right place at the right time. Their model is scalable, their margins are improving, and they are backed by real institutional confidence. That's why Zinka Logistics is now more than just a logistic company. It's becoming the backbone of India's digital transport infrastructure. Now, let's talk about the second stock, Marathon Next Gen Realty Limited. This is a Mumbai based real estate developer that's quietly been building some of the city's most ambitious residential and commercial projects. They focus high potential redevelopment zones. Think of few areas such as Baisula, Mulund, Panvel, areas where they can unlock huge value from existing land parcels. In financial year 25, their 9-month PAT hit 136 crores. That's strong profitability in a tough real estate market. And in quarter 3 alone, their PAT margin was a whooping 33%, which is rare in this sector. Now, here's what caught institutional eyes. They raised 900 crores via QIP at rupees 555 per share, and big domestic and foreign funds participated. FIs now hold nearly 10% of the company and DIIs over 16%. That money is being used wisely. Debt has come down, balance sheet is leaner, and they are investing in more land for future growth. They are executing marquee projects like Monty South in Baisala, large-scale residential township, and commercial towers like FutureX. Their current valuation around 24 times earnings, while the real estate sector average is around 40. In short, the company is profitable, undervalued, and future ready. That's why institutions are getting in now, ahead of what could be re-rating in this stock. So, what's the takeaway here? Both Zinka Logistics and Marathon Realty Limited share three key traits. They have turned around their business and shown strong improving fundamentals. They are operating in sectors with massive long-term potential, digital freight and urban real estate. And most importantly, they have caught the attention of smart money, people who do deep research before making a move. As retail investors, we can learn to track these institutional footprints. They often give us early signs of multi-bagger potential. But always remember, do your own research, don't blindly follow, understand the fundamentals, look at the balance sheet, track quarterly performance, only then you invest. I hope you found this breakdown useful. If you enjoy deep dives like this into institutional trends and fundamental analysis, do give the video a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more. Until next time, this is Sri signing off. Happy investing. Jai Hind.